I'm really glad you're here. Today, we'll take a gentle moment to ease your anxiety, slow your thoughts, and bring your body back into a place of safety and peace. This meditation is for anyone who feels overwhelmed, restless, or weighed down by worry. You don't need to fix anything right now. You don't need to push anything away. Just allow yourself to be here. Find a comfortable position. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw loosen. Let your hands rest gently. Take a slow breath in and a soft breath out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Let your breath move like a calm, steady wave. With each breath, allow your body to loosen a little more. Now imagine a warm, gentle light above you, a soft, golden light that feels comforting and safe. This light represents strength. It represents calm, and it represents the version of you who feels grounded and steady. Picture this warm light slowly lowering toward you, touching the top of your head. Feel it begin to melt your tension. Let it travel down your face, your neck, your shoulders. Allow each breath to soften you. Let the light move down your arms, your chest, and your stomach. Any tightness you feel is allowed to release. Now let this light continue down your hips and legs, all the way to your feet. You are wrapped in calm. You are wrapped in safety. Now silently repeat these words in your mind. I am safe in this moment. My body knows how to relax. This feeling will pass. I am doing my best. Take one more slow breath in and gently release it. Your anxiety does not define you. Your thoughts are not in control of you. You are returning to yourself, and you are safe. Thank you for taking this moment of calm. Carry this ease with you as you move through the rest of your day. You are strong, you are capable, and you are okay.